In this video, I explained the MCQ of Engineering Thermodynamics. Chapter name is Introduction of Engineering Thermodynamics. MCQ 1. A definite area or a space where some thermodynamic process takes place is known as option A thermodynamic cycle, option B thermodynamic system, option C thermodynamic process, and option D law of thermodynamics. Okay, so it is an area or space where thermodynamic process takes place. It is known as the thermodynamic system. So option B is the correct, that is the thermodynamic system. In an open thermodynamic systems, so that is a three type of the system: open, closed, and isolated. Okay, so from any three process, at least 1 or 2 MCQ is possible in a university exams as well as in mid-sem examinations. Okay, that is the various option is given. Okay, so we know that in a open thermodynamic system, that is a mass is interact, energy is interact in a form of heat and work. Okay, so that is the number of option is given, that is option A, B, C and D are given. Okay, so we know that. So here both the heat and work as well as the mass of working substance cross the boundary of the system. Okay, so I think option D is the correct answer. Okay, so you need to read all that. Neither heat and work nor the mass, that is a wrong statements. Heat and work cross the boundary but not the mass. Option C, mass cross the boundary of the system but not heat and work. But in open system all these things are interact. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Next, a thermodynamic system is referred to be an isolated system. So here for they are asking about the isolated system when there is a transfer of across the system boundary. Only mass interaction is there, only heat and work, both mass and energy, and option D, neither mass nor energy is interact. So option D is the correct. Okay, we know that in isolated system no mass transfer is there and no energy interaction is there. So option D is the correct answer, neither mass nor energy interactions. Now before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to engineering thermodynamics and another subject of the mechanical engineerings. For the more MCQ of the engineering thermodynamics, the link of the playlist is provided in the descriptions, as well as the link is also provided in a card. Card means on a top right screen of your mobile or laptop you see the I symbols. When two bodies are in equal temperature with a third body and they are also equal temperature with each other, this statement is known as the zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay, so here option A is the correct answer, that is a number of law is given: zeroth law, first law, second law and third law. Okay, so we know that it is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. A system having a single phase is called, so this question is related to the property heterogeneous, homogeneous. Okay, so first they give the option isolated system, closed system, homogeneous system and the heterogeneous system. So option C is the correct, that is the homogeneous system. Okay, so when there is a single phase it's called as the homogeneous. Okay, and suppose that is asking about the multiple phase or a two phase, then the answer is the heterogeneous system. Zeroth law of thermodynamics deal with, so we know that zeroth law of thermodynamics is deals with the temperature. So that different option is given: conservation of energy, conservation of mass, entropy and thermal equilibriums. Okay, so thermal equilibrium is also related with the temperatures. Okay, so here the definition of zeroth law is mentioned, that is equal temperatures. Equal temperature means temperature is also known, that is a one property of the temperature is called thermal, means from the thermal temperature word is come, so temperatures are equal, it is called as the thermal equilibrium. So option D is the correct answer. First law of thermodynamics deals with, so here they are asking about the all the first law of all the law of thermodynamics. So first they ask about the zeroth law of thermodynamics, it deals with thermal equilibriums. Okay, then first law, second law and third law. So first law of thermodynamics deals with the same MCQ is given: conservation of energy, conservation of mass, principle of increased entropy and thermal equilibriums. So first law is deals with the conservation of energy. What is the first law? Basic statement: energy neither created nor be destroyed. It will convert from one form to another form. So it is related with the conservations of energy. Second law of thermodynamics defines internal energy, entropy, heat, or a work. Correct answer is the option B. So second law of thermodynamics deals with the entropy, or it defines the entropy. Third law of thermodynamics defines option A internal energy, option B absolute zero entropy, option C heat, and option D work. So option B is the correct. The third law of thermodynamics defines the absolute zero entropy. Which statement is not true for microscopic study of thermodynamics? Option A, it is a statistical thermodynamics. This approach to thermodynamics is concerned with individuals' behavior of matter. Option C, the descriptions of system is simple, only few properties are required. Option D, the behavior of the system is found by using the statistical methods. Okay, so they are asking about which statement is not true. So answer C is the correct. Means this statement C is the wrong. The description of the system is simple, only few properties are required. So this statement is not with the microscopic study. Which of the following is a closed system? So here various example is given. Boiler. So boiler is the open system. We supplied the water, it is converted in steams. Always the energy interaction is there. Second, related to the compressor. In a compressor, we supplied the mechanical energy. We supplied there, its pressure is increased. So it is the open system. IC engine is also open system. We supplied petrol, diesel, anything. Okay, air. This gives some work outputs. So by default, the third option is not that. Then the option D is, that is a bomb calorimeters. Or either the option D is given none of the above. Okay, then you need to select none of the above, but here the bomb calorimeter is given, so it is the closed system. So here correct answer is the option D. Which one of the properties given below is an intensive property of a system? Intensive means in a intensive and extensive, that is a two types of properties. Okay, so intensive, first word is the I. Okay, so from this I we need to remember another word, that is a independent to the mass of the system, means not depend on the mass. Okay, so various example is given: kinetic energy, volume, temperatures, and the enthalpy. So option C is the correct answer. Temperature is not depend on the mass. Okay, suppose in a one bottle we take the 500 ml of water, in another bottle we may fill the 1 liters. Okay, and we measure temperatures of both, it may be same. Okay, it's not be change. Which is the not correct statement of a pure substance? Homogeneous in composition, homogeneous in chemical aggregations, mixture of oil and water is a pure substance, and mixture of ice and liquid water is pure substance. So which one is the wrong? Option C is the wrong answer. A mixture of oil and water is a pure substance. It is the not correct statements. Which of the one statement is not valid for quasi-static process? So various option is given. It is the reversible process. Isothermal process is quasi-static process. Option C, process is succession of equilibrium states, and the process is very fast. So we know that the quasi-static process are going very slow. So option D is the wrong answer. Which of one is not correct statement regarding to heat and work? Okay, so we need to select which is not correct. Naturally heat flow from low temperature to high temperature. So first option is not correct. Okay, heat is always flow from high temperature to low temperature. Second is given heat and work is the part function. So this is the correct statement. Heat flow from system considered a negative heat, and work output from the system is considered as the positive work. It is also correct statement. Work done in a free expansion is 0. It is also correct. So option A is the wrong statement. Heat is flow from low temperature to high temperatures. Which of the following is the extensive property of thermodynamic system? Extensive means depend on the mass, pressure, volume, temperatures, and the density. So option B is the correct. So volume is the extensive property. If gas is heated against a pressure and keeping the volume constants, then the work done will be equal to positive, negative, 0, or between 0 to infinity. So option C is the correct, it is the 0. Okay, so what they are asking, work done. What is the equation of work done? That is a P into dV. Okay, dV means change in the volume, but here volume is constant. That means there is a no change in the work done. So dV is 0, then work done is 0. Triple point of a pure substance on the PV diagram is represented by point, line, curve, or a triangle. So it is represented by the line, that is option B is the correct answer. The contents of a well insulated tank, that is a one type of the numericals. Okay, so here that is a well insulated tank, means there is a no heat interactions. Okay, so in these questions we need to find out what is the value of heat, what is the value of work, and what is the change in internal energy. Okay, but tank is the well insulated, means that means Q is 0, and inside this tank some liquid is there. This is heated by the resistors of the 2.352 in which 10 ampere current is flowing. Consider tank along with contents as a thermodynamic systems. Work done by the systems and the heat transfer to the systems are positive. Okay, so work transfers and the heat transfers are positive. The rate of heat Q, W, and change in internal energy during the process in kinetic energy need to find out. So that is a different value is given. Okay, from the different value, first we find out that the tank is well insulated. So that is a no heat interaction, means that is a Q is equal to 0. Okay, now Q is equal to 0, that have the two MCQ, that is A and D. Okay, so how we select? So here we see that the inside the tank some liquid and it is heated by the resistor, that is a 2.352. Okay, so we are supplying some work done, and when we supplying the work done, it is the negative. Okay, so work done is equal to negative 2.3, it is the correct answers. Okay, and change in the internal energy is plus 2.3, so option A is the correct answer. Heat and work are intensive property, extensive property, point functions, or a part functions. So heat and work are the part functions, and there is also possibility that MCQ is asked related to the heat interactions and the work interactions. Okay, so suppose we supplied the heat energy to the system, it is considered as the positive. Suppose some component rejecting the heat, then it is considered as the negative. Same way, suppose we supply work to the system, it is considered negative, and suppose system is give the work, it is considered as the positives. Okay, so this MCQ is also possible in the examinations. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video, subscribe the channels, and don't forget to share with your friend.